have been lied to about retirement. They told you to fund a retirement account. They said to save for 40 long years. They promised you would be rich much later. But there is a massive hidden financial trap. This trap locks your money away almost forever. You cannot touch it without huge tax penalties. What if you need it right now today? What if you want to retire extremely early? Your own hard money is kept from you. You are forced to keep working incredibly hard. You trade your best young years for nothing. Traditional retirement advice is completely broken right now. The modern world is moving way too fast. Waiting until you are 60 is very dangerous. You might not even enjoy your life then. Your physical health could easily fail by then. Massive inflation will eat your purchasing power alive. You need a completely new way to live. You need total access to your wealth now. We must rethink the entire outdated financial system. Let us break down this massive American illusion. My name is Richard. Welcome back to the Financial Channel today, everyone. I am very glad you are watching here. My main goal is exposing invisible financial traps. I really want to help you build wealth. We will use simple and very plain language. We will not use boring academic economic theories. Today, we discuss the ultimate financial waiting game. We are talking about your standard retirement account. Let us look closely at the real consequences. Imagine a very hard worker named John today. John follows all the traditional old financial rules. He puts money in his retirement account monthly. He diligently does this for 20 long years. He slowly builds a very large account balance. John feels extremely proud of his financial discipline, but then John runs into a huge, sudden problem. John loses his safe corporate job very quickly. He desperately needs cash to feed his family. He looks directly at his massive retirement account. He tries desperately to take his money out. The federal government slaps him with huge taxes. They add a massive early withdrawal penalty fee. John instantly loses a huge chunk of money. He quickly realizes he does not have freedom. His entire life savings is locked in vaults. The financial vault has a heavy digital timer. The digital timer says he must wait longer. He must wait until he is much older. He must officially reach age 59 first. This is a truly terrible position for John. He is currently cash poor, but paper rich. This is the harsh reality for many Americans. Millions of working adults face this exact trap. They trust the old financial system completely blindly. They put every single spare dollar away forever. They totally forget to build a liquid bridge. They need a bridge to freedom much earlier. You simply cannot enjoy life if you wait. Your tired knees might hurt when you retire. You might not even want to travel then. You want massive freedom while you are young. You really want choices in your prime years. The retirement account steals your prime years away. It violently forces you to stay employed longer. Your corporate boss controls your current daily life. Giant Wall Street controls your future daily life. You are completely stuck in the middle forever. We simply have to break this cycle now. We definitely need a much better life plan. Let us talk about the real modern solution. You deeply need a taxable brokerage bridge account. This account is your ticket to early freedom. A solid bridge account gives you total control. You can easily withdraw your money anytime now. There are 0 early withdrawal penalty fees charged. There are absolutely no age restrictions on it. You strictly just pay normal capital gains taxes. You absolutely keep the vast majority of profit. This special account bridges the long time gap. It safely covers you from age 40 onward. It covers your bills until age 60 arrives. Then you can finally tap your retirement funds. You must intelligently fund both of these accounts. Do not abandon the workplace match completely, though. Take the free employer money for sure today. That is absolutely free money for your future. But please stop maxing it out every year. Stop foolishly locking all your extra cash away. Divert those vital extra funds to your bridge. Buy standard broad index funds in that account. Let that highly liquid money grow very steadily. Watch your easily accessible net worth increase daily. This setup gives you absolute extreme peace of mind. Imagine if you hate your stressful job tomorrow. You can simply walk away from it instantly. Your Liquid Bridge account will pay your bills. You are absolutely no longer a corporate hostage. You officially buy back your precious daily time. This completely changes the financial math of life. The truly wealthy understand this concept very well. They simply never lock all their money away. They keep their valuable assets fluid and accessible. They buy physical real estate that pays rent. They buy liquid stocks they can sell fast. They strictly build cash flow for today first. They cautiously plan for tomorrow secondarily and safely. You simply must act exactly like wealthy do. You must intentionally build your own escape route. Stop blindly trusting advice from the last century. The modern economy requires agility and quick moves. A funded bridge account makes you extremely agile. You totally deserve to have amazing options now. Traditional retirement plans strip away all your options. They force you to rely on your employer. They purposely make you fear any career changes. What if you desperately want to start business? You definitely need liquid seed money for business. A strictly locked retirement account cannot help you. A liquid bridge account can fund your dream. What if you want to travel across Europe? You can confidently take a whole year off. The growing bridge account will cover your expenses. This is true modern financial freedom in action. It is not about buying expensive luxury cars. It is literally about buying your freedom back. Ultimate freedom is the ultimate flex right now. Having endless choices is the new modern wealth. We simply have to outsmart the old system. Banks want your money locked up forever. It is time to flip the script. Take control of your own cash flow. Start opening your taxable account this week. Build the liquid bridge to your life. Thank you for watching the video today. Hit the subscribe button down below now. I will gladly see you next time.